Welcome to another EFN Amazing Game. Game number 100.
Hello. Do you want to play a game?
As you wish.
Good. The rules are simple. In 60 seconds, complete a basic jigsaw with your little kiddie wink. Rule 1. Touch a piece your toddler is holding, and you die. I mean you lose. But seriously, wait till the piece is free before using it. Rule 2. Persuasion and instruction are permitted. However, bribery and threats are punishable by death. I mean disqualification. Rule 3. Help or hindrance, you must allow it if your little one wants to join in. Complete the puzzle within a minute, and you may live. I mean proclaim your superiority over other dads. Now choose your jigsaw.